Namaste, this is the class of analysis of 7th SEM. Today we will study about the collimating system. The radiation emitted by the source is collimated, made panel by lenses, mirror and sight. Lenses. Material used for the lenses must be transparent to the radiation being used. So the radiation is emitted by the source as we all know, but it meets in a parallel line through the mirror, slide or some lenses. So lenses material used in the lenses must be transparent to the radiation being used. Ordinary silicate glass transmitted between 350 to 3000 nanometer and is suitable for visual and near IR region. Quartz or fused silica is used as a material for lens to work below 300 nanometer. Next is the mirror. These are used to reflect the focus or collimate the light beam in the spectrometer to minimize the light loss. Mirrors are aluminized on their front surface. Slits is an important device in resolving polychromatic radiation into monochromatic radiation. To achieve this, entrance slit and exit slits are used. The wide of slit play an important role in the resolution of polychromatic radiation. So let's start the monochromators. It is a device used to isolate the radiation of the desired wavelength from wavelength of the continuous spectra. Following type of monochromatic device are used: filter, prism and gradient. Filter. Selection of the filter is usually done on a compromise between peak transference and band pass width. The former should be as high as possible and later as narrow as possible. First is the absorption filter, work by the selective absorption of unwanted radiation and transmit the radiation which is required. Example is glass and gelatin filter. Interference filter, work on the interference phenomena, cause rejection of unwanted wavelength by selective reflection. Next, it is constructed by using two parallel glass plates which are silvered internally and separated by the thin film of dielectric material of different refractive index. These filters have a band pass of 10 to 15 nanometer with peak transition of 40 to 60%. Prism is made from glass, quartz or fused silica. Quartz is or fused silica is the choice of material of UV spectrum when white light is passed through the glass prism dispenser of polychromatic light in the rainbow occur. Now by rotating of the prism, different wavelength of spectrum can be made to pass through in exit slit on the sample. The effective wavelength depend on the dispersive power of prism material on the optical angle of the prism. So you can see the prism when white light is passed through the prism, it disperses the light according to the angle and the wavelength of the different light. So you can see the red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet light which is dispersed through the prism. Next is grating. Grating are most expensive one in the converting a polychromatic light to monochromatic light as a resolution of plus minus zero point 0.1 nanometer could be achieved by using grating. They are commonly used in spectrometer. Grading are of two types: differential grading and transitional grading. Different diffraction grading, more refined dispersion of light is obtained by meaning of diffraction grading. These consist of large number of parallel lines about 1500 to 3000 inch in rule on high polished surface of aluminium. These grading are replica made from the master grading by coating the original master grading with a epoxy resin and are removed after setting. Transmission grading, it is similar to diffraction grading, but reflection takes place instead of reflection. So refraction produces reinforcement the occur when radiation submitted through grading reinforced with the partially refracted radiation. Advantage is grading gives high and linear dispersion compared to prism. Monochromator can be used over wide wavelength range. Grading can be constructed by material like aluminium, which is resistant to the atmospheric moisture, provide light of narrow wavelength, no loss of energy due to absorption. So here we have completed this. Other instrumentation we will cover in the next topic. For any query you can comment below. Thank you.